Lesson 22, Session 4, page 510. Place value with comparing numbers. What is very important about comparing numbers is understanding that we have to look at the greatest value of the digits. So if we have a hundreds place, a tens place, and a ones place, we look to the hundreds place first. Hundreds, tens, and ones, hundreds, tens, and ones, hundreds, tens, and ones, hundreds, tens, and ones. So if there is no hundreds place, the next place value we look at is the tens place. If the tens place is the same, then we look to the ones place and compare there. Problem number 3, fill in the blanks. Write less than 1 dot, greater than 2 dots, or equal in the circle. Here we have 3 tens and 6 ones, 36. Here 36 is written in standard form. The next number is 3 tens and 9 ones. 39 is now written in standard form. If we have the number 36 and the number 39, we look to the tens place first because this place has a greater value. It's not the number 3 and it does not have a value of 3. It has a value of 30. Because they are both the same in the same place value, we are going to look to the ones place. Here we have 6 ones and 9 ones. 6 and 9. Which number is more? 6 or 9? 9 is more, so we give it 2 dots. 6 is less than, so we give it 1 dot. Now we connect those dots starting on the side that has 2 dots. And we read from left to right. And because 36 is less, it has 1 dot. So 36 is less than 39. Problem 4. Write less than 1 dot, greater than 2 dots, or equal in the circle. 91, 91. Those are the same numbers, so we write equal. 91 is equal to 91. They have the same value. 8 tens and 5 ones, 85. 8 tens and 2 ones, 82. 8 tens and 8 tens. They have the same value, so now I look to the ones place. 5 ones and 2 ones. 5 is greater than 2, so I'm giving it 2 dots. 2 is less than 5, so I give it 1 dot. And then to connect, I start on the side with 2, go to the side with 1, and back to the side with 2. And because I read left to right, I read this, 85 is greater than 82. Problem number 5, write less than 1 dot, greater than 2 dots, or equal in the circle. Ooh, this is a tricky one. There are 5 tenths. Sometimes it's just easier to make your T-chart. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. There are 5 tens. There are 4 tens. The numbers 54 and 45 are not the same numbers. 5 tens is more than 4 tens. 5 tens has a value of 50. 4 tens has a value of 40. So we know that 54 is going to be more or greater than 45. So because 5 tens is more, I'm giving it 2 dots. 4 tens is less, so I give it 1 dot. Now I'm going to connect those dots, starting on the side with 2 dots to the 1 dot to the 2 dot side. And I read it from left to right. 54 is greater than 45. Problem number 5. 36, 63. 36, 63. Here we have 3 10. Hey, 36 and 63. Do I read like this? 36, 36. This one I read it like that, 36. But remember, when we read numbers, we have to read those numbers from left to right. We cannot read the number backwards. We have to start at the 6. So the number is 63. So there are 6 tens in 63 and 3 ones. And there are 3 tens in 36 and 6 ones. 63 is greater than 36. 63 is greater, it gets 2 dots. 36 is less, it gets 1. Connect the dots starting at the side with 2 to 1 to 2. 36 is less than 63. The next problem. Number 6, write less than 1 dot, greater than 2 dots, or equal in the circle. 26, 29. Ooh, 2 tens and 2 tens. It's the same value, so I need to look to the ones place. 6 ones and 9 ones. 9 is more, I'm going to give it 2 dots. 6 is less, it gets 1. Connect those dots, starting on the side with 2 dots to 1 dot to 2 dots, and read from left to right. 26 is less than 29. Last problem, 41 and 40. 41 and 40. They each have 4 tens. But 41 has 1 and 40 has 0 ones. So 41 is greater, it gets 2 dots. 40 is fewer, it gets 1. Connect those dots and read left to right. 41 is greater than 40.